A GRY-18, tandem fixed-wing and quadcopter hybrid design layout. Vertical takeoff and landing, low sight requirements. Cruise engines and propellers are located at the rear for higher propulsion efficiency. Streamlined body, low total resistance of the machine. The front part of the fuselage has more space and can carry more payload. The body material uses aviation carbon fiber composites. Whole machine quick dismantle design. Assembles in less than 10 minutes without tools. Body length 2001 mm, height 696 mm. The rear wingspan is 3,744 mm, and the front wingspan is 2,820 mm. Maximum load 18 kilograms, maximum takeoff weight 40 kilograms. Cruising speed is 25 meters per second. Maximum range of 1,220 kilometers. Max altitude 5,000 meters. Full load fuel consumption is 1 liter per hour, with a range of 13 hours. Operating temperature -20 degrees Celsius to +45 degrees Celsius. Wind resistance grade 6. The dual-screen remote ground station has a brightness of 1000 nit and a working time of 7 hours. You can directly use a computer to plan tasks. Equipped with a 3-axis stabilization tri-optical pod. Equipped with a camera with 30 times optical zoom. 640x512 resolution thermal imager 5 kilometers range finder. Supports photography and video recording. Target tracking function. Thermal imaging electronic zoom. Laser ranging. Applicable to oil field pipeline inspection, river inspection, forest inspection and more scenarios.